Talofa lava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa. My name is Measina. So this week is Samoan Language Week, and in celebration of Samoan Language Week, we are sharing you 5 Samoan phrases that we should all know. So let's get started. Number 1, what is your name? Oai lo ingoa. What is your name? Oai lo ingoa. You might also get asked in a respectful term, which is Oai lo suafa. Oai lo suafa. And you would answer this always by saying O lo'o ingoa o. O lo'o ingoa o. You will never use the word suafa when referring to yourself. It's only used if you're talking to somebody else to give them the respect. Number 2, where are you from? O whea e te sau ai. O whea e te sau ai. Where are you from? So you would answer this by saying O te sau mai Merepone, O te sau mai Falealili. Yes, any of the places that you're from. Number 3, how old are you? E whia tausaga a oi. How old are you? E whia tausaga a oi. And you would answer this by telling them o te and your age, tausaga. I am however old you are. So I would answer o te whasewhululua, which is, if you know the answer, tell us in the comments below. Let's move on to number 4. So the phrase number 4 that you should all know is how are you? Oa mai oi. How are you? You can also say po o whape whea mai oi. So oa mai oi or po o whape whea mai oi. How are you? You can answer manuia, I'm very well. Lolo, not so good. Yeah. Well, ma'ia'u, I'm very sick. So there are lots of ways that you can answer that, but you should know when someone's asking you oa mai oi or po whape whea mai oi, they're asking how are you. And our number 5 Samoan phrase that everyone should know is, are you hungry? E te whia ai. Are you hungry? E te whia ai. So, of course, your answer is going to be yoi, yes. And if you are full for some reason, you could say le ai whawhetai wa maonga. No, thank you, I'm full. What else could you say? The perfect answer, of course, is going to be yes. So it's a bit rude in Samoan culture to not accept food when they're giving it to you. So even if you just have it in front of you, take a photo and then not eat it, it is more respectful than to say no. And yes. So those are our 5 Samoan phrases that everyone should know. If you have learned something in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think that we should make more videos like this, make sure to subscribe by pressing the subscribe button below. We have links in the description to Samoan educational programs that we provide for schools as well as to preschool age students. So make sure to look at them and try them out. Whakatae te lava, thank you so much for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope to see you again in the future and have a nice day.